Our founder, Ed Lowe, invented kitty litter, the country's first cat box filler in 1947. By enabling cats to remain indoors, Ed's product led to a shift in pet popularity, with cats outnumbering dogs. A deceptively simple product, kitty litter led to the creation of an entirely new industry. By the time Ed sold his business, it had grown to about 600 employees and $165 million in annual sales. Ed and his wife Darlene, also a successful entrepreneur, launched the Edward Lowe Foundation in 1985. Through the foundation, the Lowes wanted to advocate entrepreneurship as a strategy for economic growth and provide entrepreneurs with more help.